Obsessed with easy embroidery on TikToks? So was I. Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm Meera Kaneria. I make a fashion videos every week on YouTube. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm getting my hands on embroidery for the first time. I never tried embroidery in my life, but we are going to do it. Are you guys ready with your needle and thread? For this, you can choose any of your denim shorts, your sweatshirt, or any plain pair of jeans. If we talk about the materials you need are your needle, thread, pencil, scissor, and that's pretty much it. Firstly, I'm going to start with my pair of jeans. For this, I thought of doing a slogan design on the bottom part of the jeans, like "Hey you" and one exclamatory mark, and then I'm going to do embroidery on it. After you have written your slogan with pencil, you just have to take your thread, carefully insert the needle from the wrong side. It must come up on the starting point of your slogan, and then insert it back into it by keeping a little space in middle, then insert it again onto the right side and take it out from the wrong side. Now here's the main part. For the second time when you insert the needle from the wrong side, you just have to make sure that you are inserting on the middle section of your first part, so that you won't get any space in between where there is no thread. After I completed the first part of the jeans, I'm going to take the thread onto the back side, that is the wrong side of the jeans, and going to tie double knot on it. And then you just have to repeat the process all over the slogan. Next, I'm going to work on my sweatshirt. For this, I thought of doing a flower stem on which there would be 3 flowers. So for this also, I'm going to do this stem just like we did on the pair of jeans, but for this I'm going to use the green color thread. One little difference from the first part is that I'm going to keep a very little space in between 2 stitches, just like this. So we are done with the stem. Now we are going to work on the flower part. Again, I'm going to take the pink thread because I felt like doing some pink flowers onto the green stem. So for this, I'm going to insert it from the wrong side, take it out the needle on the right side, and then you just have to take the 2 turns and then insert it again on this side from where you just took out the thread. So this might make a little knot on the top. So what I'm going to do is to make 5 to 6 knots, and this bunch of knots can look similar to one flower.
And you did it right from the start.
More flowers onto the stem, and then I am all done.
From the start. Missing someone.
If you are trying out the embroidery for the first time, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. It's Meera Kaneria. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, do not forget to check out the links below in the description box. And we'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then.